Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with Outlook Web or Office 365. Make sure you have publish rights. First, open Calendar Settings and choose Publish Calendar for the specific calendar you want to sync. Once done, select the access level that allows reading and copy the ICS or webcl URL that Outlook generates. You need that link because Google will subscribe to it. This keeps Outlook as the source of truth while Google reads updates from that URL. Now switch to Google Calendar and add the calendar by URL. Click Add Other Calendar, paste the ICS or webcl link and add it. You'll want to name and color it so events are clearly identified. Make sure you understand that Google subscribes, not two-way sync. Google fetches updates periodically, so recent Outlook changes may take minutes to hours to appear. If you need near real-time two-way sync, consider Exchange/third-party options. But for read access, finish by checking several event types: single, recurring, and all-day entries so you confirm completeness. Once verified, adjust calendar colors/notifications in Google and mark the Outlook calendar as source of truth. If changes don't show, make sure the published link is current. Republish from Outlook or remove and re-add the URL in Google to force a refresh. If you require two-way editing, you'll need an Exchange integration or a supported sync tool. Otherwise, expect one-way updates from Outlook to Google.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.